In this video, we're going to show you how to preheat any Whirlpool oven. It's fairly simple to do. So basically, you want to preheat it before you put the food in. So let's say if you have a pre-made meal that you're supposed to put in the oven, you want to preheat the oven to the temperature you want before you put the meal in. All right, and so in order to preheat a Whirlpool, this particular one is a Gold Series, but you might have a different version. This one has actually two ovens. It's got the top oven here, and it's got a bottom oven right here. So let's say we're just going to do the top oven, and I want to preheat it to 375. The only thing I have to do is go bake, and it'll always be bake. And right now it's 350, and then what I want to do is go 375. Or if it was 400, I would do 400, and then what I want to do is click Start to Set right here. All right, so the red indicator means that it is preheating, and then it will hang tight here a couple seconds, and I'll tell you what it sounds like before you put the meal in. All right, you heard it go. So that is how you preheat a Whirlpool oven. And of course, next thing we want to do is use oven mitts or protector, get your food, and go ahead and slide it in. Hopefully you have like a metal pan or whatever you have. And just remember, it's hot now. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.